The 11-day fighting between Israel and Hamas in May, the most intense round since 2014, has changed many children's lives in Gaza Strip. Mohammed Shaban, an 8-year-old boy, is one of the victims. Shaban was wounded and became blind on the first day of the hostilities, when he and his mother were walking on the street. They just finished shopping for Eid al-Fitr, a festive dinner that marks the end of the Ramadan fast.
I'm calmly fulfilling all his requirements, because he is getting very nervous and asking for things he had not asked before. In the past, when he asked to get anything and was told that I could not fulfill his requests, he would accepted it. But now the situation has changed. He has become more stubborn and nervous. He became terrified, and he wants me to accompany him always, in addition to the fact that he needs his brothers to go to school with him.
12-year-old Talia Sakala and her family were ordered to evacuate by an Israeli soldier before her house was exploded.
My children became introverted and my youngest daughter keeps silent all the time, especially when surrounded by strange people. In addition, my children and I began to suffer from many psychological pressures after the tower beside our house was targeted, causing great damage inside the home. Since that time, I became more nervous in dealing with my children, if one of them was inside the house.
When I hear the sound of airplanes, I run away and try to hide in my mother's lap. I get so afraid of the sounds of planes, so I need to be by my mother's side to feel safe.
A Gaza-based psychologist believes that children are the primary victims of all military tensions. All the children of Gaza have harsh experiences in their imagination about the war and its severe conditions, including its problems, bombing sounds, and fear. When the children live in such situations, all those experiences will reappear in their memories. Therefore, they will live in the same fear and terror left by previous wars, which negatively affect their psychological situation in the future. Therefore, if there are more military conflicts, the children will suffer from more difficult psychological conditions. Meanwhile, I expect that they will suffer more and more if any military confrontation erupts at any moment.